The good news is we finally had a break in the weather. I fixed the car, no more squeaky brakes. Found an very unusual wear pattern. Maybe I'll show you that real quick when we get back to the garage. The bad news is the van is still not done. It was supposed to be done last Friday. They found a broken part that does not come in the transmission rebuild kits. Had trouble finding one, but they found it, ordered it. It was supposed to be in Monday. I figured, who knows what time Monday, what time their shipping, comes in every day. I give them the benefit of the doubt. Okay, the part comes in Monday. It'll probably take them like all day Tuesday to finish, get the transmission the rest of the way back together, and maybe started put back in to possibly even run into Wednesday to just finish up loose ends. So I wasn't gonna bug them. I can take their time, do it right. And Thursday passed, no update. Here it is Friday. Here's the bad news. It has been sitting outside. Probably been sitting out here all week. Been pushed to the side. Probably no transmission yet. The wheel's been chalked, and so have those other vehicles. They're sitting there. There's a wheel chalk under the wheels. These all seem like they've been pushed out. This is where they just push things aside area, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna go. I need to find out what's going on. This is running into a full second week. This is for the holiday weekend, the long holiday weekend. This has really kind of messed my my plans up. I planned on having it back a week ago, originally. Allowed some extra time, but here it is, a full another week. I'm kind of frustrated, not real happy right now, but try to compose myself and find out what is going on here. Well, I went in and talked to the guy, and my hands are kind of tied. What am I going to do with it? It is what it is. It turns out the part, for whatever reasons, there's just like none in the country. But well, barely. He did find it shipped from California. It was supposed to be here 3 days ago. Finally he got a UPS update, and it's supposed to be here at 2:30 today. Scheduled delivery 2:30, give her whatever their UPS's window is, roughly 2:30 today. They don't work tomorrow. They don't work Saturday. They are working Monday. He said he don't want it here either. He'd like to finish a job up and get paid for it, right? I mean, so he has a motivation to get it done. That one bay, there's a truck in that one bay. It's just getting some exhaust pipes on it, and it'll be out of the way. So that part gets in here. It's getting in, and they're gonna get started on it. But fortunately, they do work Monday. Tuesday's the holiday, so maybe they'll get it wrapped up Monday. I don't know. I'm missing my van. I need it. It's especially with the coachman down. I don't even have the option to go out in the coachman because it's down right now too. So that's kind of the puts a little bit of extra frustration on my part. I want my van, dang it. But I feel a little bit better now that I got an update and know what's going on. So then what are we going to do with our day? No van. Obviously that affects what this video is going to consist of. That's the extent of the van. It's so it was a toss-up. So we go do something like check out a big swing bridge in the area that is really cool, has some interesting history, or we just go back and do something productive and throw the trailer hitch on the Fiesta, or none of the above. I don't know. I will say it is so nice that the brakes are not squeaking anymore. We went for a little ride last night, and it was the last straw. That was it. I couldn't take it anymore, so I did the brakes. I got up early, had coffee this morning, went and did the brake job real quick. It just doesn't take long on this little car. The donut connection. I could have stopped and got a coffee and donuts. No, I'll wait till I get home. Just have another coffee. Oops, there's that donut shop again. We had to turn around. I almost forgot. We gotta check something out. We need to stop. I need to stop at the sporting goods place today. You might notice Bella's not with us this morning. We'll get her later. We're gonna back across the river. Need to go to the sporting goods store and see what is available for bike racks. Dang it, there's Dunkin' Donuts. Say no, just say no. And another donut connection. All right, we're here at Dunhams Sports. It's a pretty big sporting store, and it's not as big as a chain as like Dick's Sporting Goods. I think Dick's is nationwide. I don't think Dunham's is, but they're a pretty big outfit. Oh, look at these. Oops, I almost tripped on the curb. No, I don't need it. That's the last thing I need. Maybe I should get a roof rack and outfit the Fiesta with a kayak. I was thinking the store had more when it came to bikes, but footwear, this is it. Bikes and some accessories. There's no, I must have been thinking of Dick's because there's one in the area. I'm gonna take a run down there. Well, that was a bit disappointing. Let's shoot down to, I think Dick's is only 10 minutes away. Let's shoot down there real quick. We came down to the Pittsburgh Mills Mall in Harmer Township, and Penny's over there, I think, is no longer. I think they closed that store along with a bunch of other stores. This used to be a Sears, and this mall was built like, I don't know, like about 2 decades ago, I guess, roughly. It came at a time, it's just when, you know, online shopping was really starting to get some traction, and well, some of these big box stores just maybe overestimated what they could do here. You know, the mall's probably half empty. I don't know. Anyway, Dick's Sporting Goods is here in the corner, and it's still hanging in there pretty good. I may be wrong about that. Maybe it's been here closer to 3 decades, but nonetheless, you can tell, you know, it was off to a pretty good start, but, you know, this online shopping gained popularity. It took its tolls on a lot of stores. I think Dick still does pretty good business. Yeah, this is the place I was thinking of. The one bike I have, one of my bikes, I bought here some years back, and they have their little tune-up center here. You can drop your bike off and they'll mount it on the rack and go through the brakes and the shifters and all kind of tune-up stuff. Air compressor there for airing up tires. Little tune-up shop right here in the store. I don't know what they're gonna have as far as bike racks go. They used to be over here, but now it's all shoes. Alright. They only have a couple of models these days. There's the trunk mount excuse me, the trunk mount type, and I did not want that type, or that, yeah. We have a couple down here, the hitch mount types that will go in my 1.25" square hitch, and they have the adapter to use them in 2-inch hitches as well. The 4-bike model, the 2-bike model, they put the that top crossbar, you know, that top crossbar across there. I don't know how well. I don't think that's gonna work for my e-bike. It'd probably work for my regular pedal bike, but this is the extent of their selection these days. They used to have a bunch of them over on the other wall. That's all they have now. Huh. And that's why online shopping continues to gain in popularity, is selection. I tried buying local. Amazon, here I come. There are some other bike shops in the area. There's one up here I forgot about. I'm gonna stop at it real quick. But there certainly are more when you get closer to the city, when you get closer to Pittsburgh. We're not that far out of Pittsburgh. There's plenty of shops around. I'm just not gonna go spend my day driving all around, and I'm gonna go check this one out, and then I'll probably go back and do my research online of bike shops in the Pittsburgh area. Look at their websites, see what they have to offer. And they'll probably still end up Amazon in the end. I don't know. So here's Gatto Cycle Shop, and this used to be an old YMCA building. It used to have the big sign on the corner that said YMCA. Okay. But now that's long gone, so the whole second top floor is all the Japanese bikes, and some are made in India. Isn't Royal Enfield, those are made in India, I think? I don't know. And then the next floor is I mean, yeah, motorcycles, you know, and ATVs are up there. And then the second floor, I think, is a bicycle. If it used to be, I don't know if it still is. We're gonna check it out. Bicycle shop. I think they even are meddling in the Triumph motorcycles. I think I have a section for Triumph. I don't know if they're still doing that or not. And then the bottom floor, I'm not sure. Maybe we'll go find out if they're even open yet. And they used to, down around the corner, their original building was down below. They were a Harley-Davidson dealer. They've been a Harley-Davidson dealer forever. Well, they're not a Harley-Davidson dealer anymore. Now they sell like watercraft, like jet skis, that sort of thing. Harley-Davidson gave them the boot because I don't think their facility met Harley-Davidson's requirements for a official dealership anymore. What? They're not open yet. What? They don't open until 10. Are you kidding me? Alright, I'm not going to wait around 20 minutes. I got stuff to do with my day. Again, I'm going to do my research, and I'll check out their website and other websites, and then I'll have an idea if I get to buy local or not. By the way, this is where I bought my motorcycle that I currently own, my Kawasaki. I bought it here, for what that's worth. I need to get back to Bella anyway. It's going to be a hot day. It's still morning. It's quite nice right now, but that sun's going to be hitting the RV before much longer, and it's going to get hot. So I need to go turn the air conditioning on, or pick her up and be taking her with me. So we need to get back to Bella. And back across the river we go. Poor Bella didn't get to go with me. Oh, poor thing. Is it? What? You poor thing. Huh? She says, "Where you been? Do you smell?" I don't smell tacos. Or donuts. You want sides? Huh? Outside. Come on. Where you go? Wait. She was up on me. She had to sniff me. See if I smell like food. What are you doing over there? Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. Did you not get to go with me? Huh? Did you not get to go with me? Huh? Poor thing. We'll go somewhere today. Huh? Before the day's out, I'll take you for a ride somewhere, okay? Okay? Ready, go. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on, this way. Alright, she's going to go over in the high grass for a moment. I think I'm going to get the car turned around, and I might back it up onto some ramps and get that hitch out and some tools out. And I had that project up. I'm going to try to get that done today, I think. Like I said, I'm going to do some shopping around on the, see what hitches or bike racks are going to be available for that hitch online. see what I come up with. Obviously, we're kind of crippled in our travels, our normal travel thing. Both RVs are down. I call the van an RV. It's a recreational vehicle, okay? And it's a van, and this is a motorhome. They're both recreational. We're kind of wounded, and our usual is kind of crippled without either one of them right now. So I just feel the need to do something with the Fiesta, even a bike rack. You know, our normal thing of traveling, exploring and recreating. Be nice to be able to at least take a bike to a bike rails to trails thing or something. Maybe we'll just pack a picnic lunch. And you know, I don't know. I just feel my hands are tied right now, I feel. So I'm gonna see what I can figure out.